Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm looking at another pair of hand warmers. A customer reached out to me, this company, and actually sent me these to do a quick review on and show you what they look like and how they come. So they come in this nice package just like you see here, and they're hand warmers. What I like about these hand warmers, they're nice and small and compact. Let's take a quick look at them, how they look, quick unboxing. Let's take it out of the package. It does come with the instruction manual that's actually very easy to understand and read. The instructions are super simple, how to charge them, how to use them, capacity, all that kind of stuff right here. Capacity is 3,000 milliamps, as you can see. They are hand warmers. The model number is looks like 718. Input volt is 5 volts, 1 amp. Roughly didn't take long at all. So charging time took something 4 to 5 hours from being totally dead. Working hours between, you can see here on the between 8.5 and 20 hours. They have 3 different levels that you can use it at. So depending on the level, you can get between 20 hours and 8.5 hours, right around that point. So you can kind of fluctuate back and forth. I'm just going to show you what they look like. Let's take a quick unboxing. Let's show you what they look like and how to use them and all that kind of stuff. They come just like this, like you see here. And they're white, and they're kind of cool. I like these. These are really nice looking. They do lock together, so I'll just show you. So you can use them as one big hand warmer, or you can charge them like this, however you want to. This is a USB-C charger that comes in the kit. Let's get this all out of the way so I can show you how to use it. So this is how it comes. So basically, it's a dual USB-C, which is really cool. So you basically plug them into both like this here. 1, 2, just like you see here. And then you just plug it into one charger port, and you can charge them both at the same time. Again, depending on how low they are, between 4 to 5 hours. I got them about half full. Took me around 25 minutes to chop it off just to get a full experience on how they work. So this is what they look like. They look like little owls. And what's cool about these little owls, let me get this stuff out of the way, is that I like the size of these. Now, let's just put them together so you can have one big one if you want. I prefer to have 2 small ones, just like this here, and you can see, and they have this little slippy grip, so they won't slide out of your hands. They're small enough to fit in your hands. Sometimes they're just too big, and they're just not comfortable at all. Sometimes they're just too fat, and you can't get your hands around them, and that's not cool. I like about these, you can put these in your pants pocket. You can slip your inside your gloves. They're small, as you can see here, so they're really compact, and they're pretty hot, and they work really, really well. So let's just give you an example of how they work. So hold the button down, like you see there, and you can see the one eye is red, and that's on low. Okay, press again. The second eye is lit. That's medium. Hold it down again, and the beak is lit. So when you have all 3 lights on, that's on high. So let's just go back to low. Back to low. So 1, 2, 3. Back to low. And to check the battery power, just double tap it, and you'll see blue, and all 3 are lit. Hopefully you can see them in the photo, in the video. Again, double tap, and all 3, that means it's fully charged, so really easy to check the power and the functionality. So we're just going to test one of these. They both work exactly the same. And what I have here is a thermal reader to read the actual temperature, so we can see, you can see where they're at. So here we go. We're going to just test this one. This is on low. You can see here running about 95 degrees, which is actually very comfortable. When it's 20 out, 95 is awesome. I mean, think about that, right? And then it'll fluctuate a little bit cooler on the bottom of that. And as you go to the top, a little bit hotter. So most of the heat is really up on the top element, but it cycles through its heat element cycle, which is kind of cool. So that's how you keep that maximum use out of the battery. Let's put on the second tier, and let's just see how hot that gets. You get 95, 97. So you can see that getting a little hotter, right? And check the bottom of that, 86, 78, and again, a little to the top, 100, 102. So this gets toasty, and that's on number 2. That's actually really good. This is actually getting kind of warm, so just be careful. They do get really warm. Let's try number 3. Now we get 3 going. Let's just see how hot this puppy really gets. You can see here, let's just watch this together. 97, 98. You can see I'm recording the top of this. So I just want to show you how hot these do get. 102, 103, and they heat up pretty quickly, which is really nice. That's a great feature. 105. 106 is more than hot on that. That's really getting toasty. Put that in your hand. That's going to really be nice and toasty. Let's see, 107. Hold to the top. Oh, you can see everything nice and clear. 109, 110, 11. Let's see where this peaks out at. I can just show you. 13, 114, 15, 116, 117, that's toasty. 118, 119, ooh, 120, 121. All right, so 121 is your max. Now you can see how it's dropping down, so it's cycling through again to save energy. That's what it's doing. And this is, I'm going to say wicked hot because it's toasty hot. So this works great. Shut that down, hold the button down, it's all like that, and the power's right down. Again, I love these. These are fantastic. They work great. You can see how warm they get. They work great. And what I love the size of these, put them in your pants pocket, put them in your gloves, put them in your boots. I don't care where you put them because they just work and they're really awesome and they really feel super comfortable. And I like the white. And again, the no-slip grip. So I just wanted to show you these. The company did send me these to do a review, and I just wanted to show you how they work. And I hope you appreciate the review, and I hope it brought you some knowledge and some information. Appreciate your time. Thanks for watching.